Hello everybody, welcome to this video. This is our video in the series of previous year's UGC NET questions, and here we are solving problems based on linear algebra, and this particular problem is based on linear transformation. So, and the matrix representation of linear transformation. This problem was there in June 2013. It was of 3 marks. Let us look at the statement and let us try to solve it. So the question is given a 4 cross 4 matrix A. You are given a 4 cross 4 matrix A, and let T be a linear transformation from R4 to R4, and it is defined by TV is equal to AV, where A is this 4 cross 4 matrix which you have fixed in the beginning. For what choices of A? So the question is what can be the possible choice for A, so that image of T and image of T square. T is the map, so we can talk about image of T. Image of T, you want it should have a dimension 2, and image of T square you want it should have dimension 1. So these are the possible choices of A. A option, B option, C option and D option. Here star means non-zero entries and everywhere else is 0. So let us look at the statement again and let us try to solve it. So what you are saying here is that you have a fixed matrix A matrix fixed, which is 4 cross 4 matrix, and you have a linear transformation from R4 to R4, which is defined as T when operated on any vector V is A into V, right? So from here it should be clear to you that one of the matrix representation of T is A. One of the matrix representation of T is A, right? Okay, now it means that if you are therefore dimension of image of T is same as rank of A, right? Because dimension of image of T is same as the rank of the matrix representing that particular transformation, and here this A is representing a transformation, therefore dimension of image of T is rank of A. Also from here you can say that matrix representation of T square is A square. That is also result, and this implies dimension of image of T square will be rank of T A square, right? Now you want it to be equal to 2 and you want it to be equal to 1. So that's all you have to do. Just choose first entry and then see the rank. If you look at the first, right, option A, here you have 0 0. Here non-zero entries I am writing 1. You can write anything. Just for the simplicity I am writing 1. 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Here you see all the 3 cross 3 entries, matrices, sub matrices, they are having 0 determinant. I can find at least one 2 cross 2 entry here which is having a non-zero determinant. Therefore rank of A is 2. Rank of A is 2, right? And if you find out the square of this matrix, you can do it yourself. You'll get 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. Now clearly here the rank is 1. So this is the correct option. A is the correct option. But there can be more than one correct option. So you have to look for all the options. Similarly, you do for all A's. Similarly, you do for all the choices of A, and you will see option A and B are correct options and these two are the wrong option. So answer to this problem is option A and option B. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video.